Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Andrea if you are new here, and today we are filming a really fun video. Like, I was thinking, I don't know how to do my hair. Like, I haven't had it this short since junior high, and I tried to curl it once and that was just like an absolute fail. But if you keep watching, you'll see what works for me and how I got these cute little loose curls. I actually really like them and they weren't that hard. But I'm trying out 3 new hairstyles. There was one fail, so keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below. I will love your support. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell. Join this little YouTube family of mine. But yeah, let's get into the video. So I already I guess preheated my iron. Okay, so for the first style, I'm gonna try and do loose curls. When people have loose curls, it looks so pretty. So I'm gonna try and do the same. I'm gonna use a scrunchie. Look how short this hair is. Like, my hair used to be like down my back, like past my bra strap. When it's past your bra strap, you know it's like freaking long. So I divided the hair. Now I'm gonna grab my flat iron and I'm gonna try and curl it. And I have like a mirror in front of me so I can like, hopefully I can see if it's coming out good. I haven't like, okay, that one came out good. I was gonna say, like, I haven't curled my hair with a flat iron in forever because I have like a Hot Tools curler and that one works really well. I've had that since like freshman year of college and it like still works. Damn, I'm curling this so fast. That's why I wanted to cut my hair, because I wanted just to like save time and like simplicity, add more simplicity to my life. And I thought, why not cut my hair shorter? It's less maintenance. I want to stop dyeing it too, and I wanted to naturally grow out my my highlights. So to do that, I had to cut it short, because you know when you've outgrown your highlights, it's just like, girl, like go to the salon and do something. Now I'm gonna do the other side. I'll probably like fast forward this whole part. If you want to add more volume to the top, you can just add dry shampoo. I have the Living Proof, just a perfect hair day one. Okay, that actually came out nice. When I try to do with my hair curler, the one that's like, I think 1.25 inches, it didn't come out right. And I think with this hairstyle, I would push my hair to one side and then just like clip it here. Ooh, but yeah, I really like that. Yay! First hairstyle is a success. Okay, now for the second hairstyle, I'm gonna do like a top knot bun, and I'm sure this is gonna be easy. I'm not gonna use my scrunchie because like with short hair we probably need something that's gonna it's a little bit thinner and it's gonna grip the hair better. So let me get my hair tie. So a lot of inspiration that I'm getting for short hairstyles is coming from Pinterest. So now we're gonna try and do this hairstyle, which, since we curled our hair, will be really nice. So she just grabbed like the top. And then she did a bun, but her bun looks like really nice and like poofy. Okay, I don't have like a comb, so I'm gonna try and like do this as perfectly as I can and curl it or like twist it around like I would with a regular bun. It's so small. Okay, we're gonna tease it. Okay, I'm trying. It's looking kind of weird. No, it's not even, no. How does this chick do that? We're gonna try it again. Wait, twist it around. Wait, you have to first twist your hair. So like twist this, I think. I'm like literally just thinking out loud because I don't know if I'm doing this correctly. I don't know. Do you guys like that? I don't know if I would wear it. It like literally looks like 2 buns on top of each other. Yeah, I don't like that. Okay, I'm gonna try it one more way. And then you go up like that. Okay, no. This is a fail. I look like a fan or like a duster. Okay, so for the next hairstyle, I was always into braiding my hair when I was in high school. Because you know, when you're in high school, you do like PE class, and then you'll go to like the rest of your class, and braids were like a guaranteed way that my hair would always look okay throughout the whole day. So but I haven't braided my hair since. Like, that was only a thing I was into in high school, and I haven't really been into braids since. We're gonna try and do a side braid, and it holds like that. Okay, it's gonna look chunky, but let's push it back. Maybe in the future I should get little mini like rubber bands, you know, the plastic ones that you can only use once, because then they like rip. So I'm gonna grab a bobby pin and just secure that behind my ear. That's actually pretty cute too. I mean, I think I made the braid a little bit too thick. Actually, let me see how it looks without the hair tie. So now I'm just going to secure the braid down itself with bobby pins. Well, I think it's cute. I think I'm not really into it because I hate showing my ears. I always have my ears covered because that's one of my insecurities. But so I think I prefer this style more now that I don't have the hair tie, because I think the hair tie made it way too bulky. If I had like the elastic tiny ones, I think it would be better. But I think this is really cute. Like, if you are Levi wants his bone. Levi, come here. Yeah, if you are the type of person, like if it's a really windy day or something like that, or you just don't like having hair in your face, I think this is a really great hairstyle to have when you still want your hair down but like out of your face. I think this one works really, really well, and it's super cute, especially if you have like highlights and you can kind of see the definition of the braid a little bit more. I think this one is really nice. Okay guys, and that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was very like experimental. I did not know how this was gonna go, especially since I already tried to like curl my hair once by myself, and that was just like a fail. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.